video was helpful, please hit like and let me know in the comments. You can even subscribe to see more videos. In this video, we will learn how to factor the greatest common factor from a polynomial. Think of it as using the distributive property in reverse. For more information on the distributive property, check out our video, The Distributive Property. Let's start with an easy one, 2x plus 4. We need to find out what these two terms have in common. If we break them down, we can see that they both share a 2. We can put that 2 on the outside of a set of parentheses by dividing it into each term. Then, we're left with x plus 2 on the inside of the parentheses. This leaves us with a final answer of 2 times the quantity of x plus 2. Let's try one a little harder. First, let's break it down into its prime factorization. 2 times a times a times a times x, plus 2 times a minus a. Although the first two terms share a 2, the last term doesn't have a 2. Therefore, we cannot factor out a 2. However, each term does share an a, so we can factor out an a. Now, it looks like we took everything away from the last term, but we didn't. Remember, we're actually dividing. When we divide a by a, we get 1, so we need to put a 1 there. So after we factor out the a, we're left with 2a squared x plus 4a minus 1. Let's try one last example. This one is a sneaky one. At first, it looks like these two terms don't share anything, but they do. They share a negative 1. If we factor out the negative 1 from each term, we're left with negative 1 on the outside of the parentheses and x plus 6 on the inside. Factoring out the greatest common factor from a polynomial is just the beginning. We will continue to explore different ways of factoring in other videos.